Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect broker to MT5. If you haven't, download and install the MetaTrader 5 platform on your computer or mobile device. You can get it from official Meta accounts. Log in using your account credentials. If not, create a new MT5 account through the platform by following the account creation steps. In MT5, locate the navigator panel. This panel usually appears on the left side of the platform and contains various tabs and options. Within the navigator panel, find and click on the Accounts tab. This tab is where you manage and connect to trading accounts. In the Accounts tab, you will see an option to add account or connect to an account. Click on this option to proceed. A window or dialog box will appear asking you to select your broker. You may see a list of supported brokers to manually input your broker server details. Depending on the broker, you will need to enter specific account details, server name or IP address account, password, investor password, and account type. Ensure you enter these details accurately to avoid connection errors. After entering the required details, click on the Next or Connect button. MT5 will attempt to connect to your broker server using the provided information. Once connected, you should see your trading account listed in the Accounts tab of the navigator panel. The status should indicate that the account is connected and active. With your broker account successfully connected to MT5, you can start trading by accessing the various trading tools, charts, and features available within the platform. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.